bed. The covers were still warm where you've been laying. You were gone. My heart was filled with dread. You might not be sleeping here again. But it's alright, 'cause I love you, and that's not gonna change. Run around, make me hurt again and again. But I am still singing love songs, that's right, written in the letters of your name. The bravest time to come, oh, it surely looks like rain. Did you ever awaken to the sound of street cats making loud, and gifts from their cries? You was listening to a fire. Well, you know, it's just the last thing they're thinking of. They're only trying to make it through the night. Tie you down, it doesn't work. It fits you in a line, I'm on a drum. It's just that I've gotten used to having you around. The landscape would be empty if you were gone. Change. Run me around, make me hurt again and again. But I'll still sing you love song, written in the letters of your name. Breath the storm to come, for it surely looks like rain. Yes, it looks like rain. So I'll pray the storm to come, 'cause it surely looks like rain. They say into each life a little rain must fall. In my life, it's coming down like a big brick wall. It's coming down, here come the wind. I can take a little rain. Lord knows I felt a little pain, and it's okay. Here comes the rain. Well, it looks like rain, feels like rain. Here comes the rain, feel it coming down. Yes, it looks like rain, and it feels like rain. Here comes the rain.